thing is that when I was the president of Goa Government Employees Association, I had realized that these people who are given extension are blocking the promotional avenues of the people who are in line of promotion, and because of that, some discontent grows up in the lower category, and because of that, they are unable to discharge their duties properly. And besides that, employment which is generated due to the retired people is also gets blocked. And now go to see our rate of unemployment is highest in the country. That is very shameful, and the Goa government is giving extension to these retired people, saying that it is in public interest, when the public interest would have been to employ the unemployed youth. The government has taken a totally different direction to give employment this extension to these people. So what we are saying, that this has to end somewhere. So we are saying enough with this extension. Enough is enough. And what we have said to the government, that if the government is unable to find any candidates, then we can volunteer to organize a job fair in our Santa Cruz block, so that the government can come and select the candidates of their choice. People here are working as apprentices in government offices for 10,000 and 12,000, who are qualified as high as graduates and masters, who has done even masters. And these people who are getting 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs 50,000 salary, 2.5 lakhs salary, are why they are continued beyond their retirement. It has to end. Even the judges, when they complete their age of retirement, they end. Naturally, they are not given even 1 day extension. Why these people have to be given extension? So we have given called memorandum to the government saying that this has to end within 15 days. And if it doesn't end 15 days, then we will give separate letters in individual cases and stage protest. Our protest will be to mock these people. Protest means it is disgraceful felicitation. We will go with a coconut and a shawl, and we will give a call to these people to come out and accept our disgraceful felicitation. Because this is too much. We have to shame these people. They are like beggars. Why they have to stick on to this post after their retirement?
So how